So most of my subscribers always ask me, how do I create my custom thumbnail? Do I pay professionals to create my custom thumbnail for me, or do I have a site where I generate custom thumbnail? So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how I use Canva to create my own personal clickable thumbnail for my YouTube videos. Canva is a site that allows you to create thumbnail and so many other things for all social media platforms, to be exact. So Canva has two types. It has a paid version and a free version. So in this video, I'm using a free version, but you can go ahead and subscribe to a paid version. So once you're on your Canva, once you've signed up or once you've logged in, the next thing you want to do now is click on create a design. So because of this tutorial, we're going to be using YouTube thumbnail because that is what we want to learn how to do in this particular tutorial. So once you click on create a thumbnail, this tab is going to open. When you see by your left side corner, you're going to see a lot of templates about thumbnail that you can select and work on. But because of this video, because of this tutorial, I'll create a custom thumbnail from the scratch. So the first thing you want to do when you're creating a custom thumbnail is your background. How do you import a background? You can click on the background right here to select a different type of background that you want. Or you can also import a background from your gallery if you already have a background. So this is a free background that I can use, and this is also a paid version. In case you subscribe to a paid version, you can also use this particular one here. But because of this tutorial that I am on free version, I will not be using this. So I'll go and use the one that is a free version right here. So now that you've created your background, the next thing you want to consider now is your text. So creating your custom thumbnail, the first thing you're going to be looking at is color. When you're creating your custom thumbnail, you want to make sure that your background is actually sharp. So that's why I'm using this background right here to create this to do this tutorial. So right now I'm going to head in and add text to my thumbnail. So I'm going to click on add a heading, which you can actually choose any of other things if you want to, but I'm going to be using that because of this tutorial. But you can just explore the Canva. It has a lot of things that you want to explore. There's nothing you want to create that Canva currently does have. It has almost everything. So, and in this particular thumbnail I'm creating, particular video, so this thumbnail is for a video that I've already uploaded on my YouTube channel. So guys, go and check out that video. It's about how you can link your YouTube, how you can link your social medias to your YouTube channel. Yeah, how you can link your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter page into your YouTube account. It also helps in growing your YouTube channel. So now I'm adding my text. You can change your style by clicking on this Canva stand, where you can select the different styles how you want your text to appear. And right here you can also select the color of your text. So but in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to go with black. We are using black. So all I have to do now is I'm going to place my text how I want it to appear.